Welcome to Just a Sliver. Here's a sliver of hummus. For the real-time cooking tutorial, click the banner above now. Traditionally made with raw ingredients, I will be roasting the garlic today. It's a simple step. Cut the top off of the garlic bulb, submerge in olive oil, in the oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. We can add twice as much garlic because roasted garlic isn't as potent. Let's start on the hummus. Pour the chickpeas into a food processor or blender. Add the lemon juice, two of the 4 tablespoons of olive oil, followed by the sesame seeds. This is in lieu of the tahini. Salt and paprika, and then squeeze in some of that beautiful roasted garlic. On with the lid and turn on a low speed for about 30 seconds. You can now increase the speed to medium to high for approximately 4 minutes. We're now going to add in roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons of water. And a further tablespoon of olive oil, bringing the total to 3 tablespoons. We have 1 more tablespoon left to put in, but we'll only add it if we want to alter the taste. Just doing a little consistency and taste test. Back on for another 4 minutes. The taste needed a little kick, so I've added in a further tablespoon of olive oil. Time for the final check, and that definitely looks like a paste now. So into a ramekin, make it look pretty, and garnish with some parsley, some of that reserved roasted garlic, sea salt, and some of the reserved oil. Thanks for joining me for Just a Sliver Hummus. Don't forget to check out the rest of Sliver and Bite TV right here on YouTube. See you soon.